The balancing bird is a great way to show center of mass to visitors. It's a very simple demo. The first thing you do is ask visitors how you think they should hold the bird. Most of the time, they'll tell you that you should hold it at the center, but you'll see that if you hold it there, the bird will fall. You want to center the bird from the beak on the visitor's finger, and it should balance there. The reason for this is because the bird has weights at the tips of the wings, and that makes the center of the bird's mass at the tip of the beak. You can relate this to acrobats because acrobats carry long poles so that their center of mass is closer to the wire that they walk on.
Thank you for volunteering at the Fleet Science Center.